You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and also more confusing names, including from Latin mythology and beyond. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Auris, it's how it's normally said in English now. I think it's the name of a car. It's used commercially sometimes, and in which case it's pronounced as Auris, or Auris, from the more Latin pronunciation Auris, but Auris is fine too. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.